Okay, this is to all the people who are in Kenya and African continent. This is regarding work from home. My name is Shaurya and we are basically from an NGO named as Thinkers Foundation. We are working on climate change and I want to show you a demo how we are working on climate change. So here we go. There is a page on there are two apps which you can use on Facebook. This is Facebook and this is Facebook Lite. We have a page named as Nature. So what you can do, once you open this page, once you open your profile, just a minute, आता दिसता. Once you open your profile, suppose this is your profile, then only thing you need to do is you need to go and search over there Thinkers Foundation. Thinkers Foundation. So you need to open this page, Thinkers Foundation. Once you open this page, you need to go on post number 2. You need to scroll it down. You need to scroll it. Here is post number 2. You need to click on nature. So this is our page which works on climate change. We put beautiful stories on climate change in stories section, and those stories are visible to 13,000 people. So what you need to do is you need to first go in community section, which is right here. Once you go in community section, you need to click on invite friends, and what you need to do, you have friends, you need to select all and you can send invites. This person has 1428 friends, so the invites will go in one go. But suppose there is a person who is having 4000 friends. 4000 friend invites will not go in one go. You need to send it twice because it goes in a round of 2000. So you just need to send invites. So the good part is people will be able, we post different stories on nature page on climate change, so these are visible. So what we want from you all is, for uh, every account which you say from which you send the invites, we pay you the money. And when it comes to African continent, we are paying around 36. Just a minute, say pause that. 36.
Pausa.
Just a minute, किती currency थी?
Meta. Pause कर.
So from every account you send invite, we pay you 36 shilling, and that money will be transferred to you one very on regular basis, because we want people to get money. People are unemployed. There is corona pandemic, and we are genuinely spreading work. We transfer money usually on day-to-day basis in India, but when it comes to Kenya and other African countries, we can transfer it once 5 accounts are done, 10 accounts are done, so that there is no processing fee. So if you all are interested and you think this can be done, please let us know, and thank you. Suppose how I will come to know that invites are being sent from your mobile. Suppose there is a person named as Michael, and he told me, Shaurya, I have sent invites from two different mobile. So what is the proof? So what I will be telling to Tyson is that when you tell your friend to send invites, you just make sure he downloads Google Meet and Facebook Lite, and you give them instruction on online mode. And please, there is an option on your mobile to record your screen. You are only sending money once you are sending your record screen, that this entire process is being done, and so may that invite is being sent from one mobile. So we are just, this is the only track which we are keeping. You can use. Yes, thank you.